flying again today by Citylink. Let's see where I'm going. That's my plane, Citylink, and check this out, the beautiful weather. Also, you are walking on the, well, floor of the airport. That's not happened everywhere around the world, but in Bali, yes, no problem. And you can see the plane, Citylink, like this. Flight to Jakarta, pretty busy as always. 14A, the best seat in Boeing, Airbus A320, and look at the sky, so blue. Pretty nice shot of the Bali. I think that's the airport view, very rare actually, since I fly. You can see the airport of Bali from the sky. It's a very nice shot of the Bromo volcano in Java. Here we go. I'll zoom it a little bit for you. Gonna land soon in Jakarta, but it feels like landing in the goddamn moon or something due to the pollution of air. Look at the grey smoke. But it's sunny day, so pretty sucks. We waiting 5-10 minutes for the gate, but people already standing and queuing. I never understand why they are doing like that actually. By the way, that's the very rare Comac aircraft here. That's the Chinese, by the way. Terminal 3, Jakarta. Alright, they even have a train to the city now. Alright, that's the Terminal 3. Plenty of options. You can have an Alphard of Golden Bird Grab or Skytrain and everything. I'm gonna take electric Grab because just simply I like it. This is the only one place where I can take it here. This is Terminal 3. Terminal 3 is pretty decent. It's combined together with the international terminal. Also, if you're flying Garuda Indonesia or Citylink, you will come here. However, AirAsia goes somewhere else on the old terminal. This one is new, and this is it. Just wanted to show you because maybe some of you have they are interested to come to Jakarta. Perhaps you can fetch the train going up there, over there, like this one. Actually, this is silver bird, silver golden bird. Anyways, Alphards. Regular bluebird, unfortunately, still drive the old Avanzas here. Hope so they're gonna upgrade those cars one day. They are there, all of the blue on there. There are many. And honking. Welcome to Jakarta. Electric iconic, actually nice to try, just for the experience in general, not as some fan of electric cars, but it's just better, the same price than the old Avanza. You can have something like this one. Just arrived. Very nice cafe. Actually, I'm gonna have a coffee waiting for my room for a few minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. In the Seoul, Jakarta. I just wanted to notice as there's not that much traffic actually like in Bali. That's true. However, the air pollution is a disaster, unfortunately. And also the same distance, the Grab 2 years ago cost me 40% less than now. So the last time was 200k, now 288. So that's actually the inflation in this country is so big, I cannot explain that. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit of Jakarta later on, then I'm gonna get my room. However, the coffee is nice with the view of the highway. There's the Skytrain up there, and they have like a nice looking fully equipped bar with the beverages and everything. Actually nice. It is called Gatot Subroto, the area in South Jakarta. I've got some really decent views from my window today, from my hotel room. Really not bad. Okay, but it's sunset time, I have to go. After short drive with the Bluebird, I arrived to the mall, but it's pretty fancy wing. I'm gonna show you something. And you have a Lamborghini in the... Okay, this is Hyundai, but I have a Lamborghini in Jakarta. This is Pacific Place Mall. Quite a lot of fancy buildings everywhere around. Just gonna stroll a little bit to show you what's going on. That's the view actually from the side where I arrived. There's the Citibank and the skyscrapers and so many Alphards and silver, golden bird, whatever. Some people coming here to buying Lamborghinis, if you know what I mean. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the streets. That's BMW, stuff like this, you know. Big city life, and this is one of the most expensive, richest part of Jakarta in general. There's Ritz-Carlton somewhere, however I'm not sure where, and it's pretty difficult to make a properly video because somehow it's hard. to catch on the lens, but that's how does it look like, and it's definitely clean and organized, as you can see. This is luxury mall because as CBD, it's mean Sudirman Central Business District, not like in the central Jakarta, but in South Jakarta. The mall is pretty big though. Basically all the luxury brands are here, and the mall is pretty big and tall. Lobby is definitely more impressive than the previous malls in where was that, in Surabaya, for example. They have a bank, you can withdraw money, House of Brooklyn, interesting brands, little bit of everything and nothing. That's the different wing. There's the Journal. That's the, I think this is the cars, Lamborghini is down there. That's the Ritz-Carlton ballroom entrance, but it's closed. Starbucks is there. Of course, Starbucks must to be, and there's the food options. Overall, this mall is definitely quiet though. Some really decent decorations though, like nice in general, but super deserted mall like for Jakarta. You may be familiar with this brand somewhere familiar, Monche's Spoon. Yes, the same like in Bali, in Seminyak, for example. It's here. For example, there is the Pole and few other nice restaurants. This is the West Ring, and this is also Alila as CBD. Alila is this one or this one, I don't know. However, that's the premium part of Jakarta generally. And there is the red light for the cars, green for me, and you will be shocked. People stop here. Literally, look at this one is green there. People, I'm still in Jakarta, or maybe I'm in Singapore. Unbelievable. At least the one part of Jakarta is how it's supposed to be, basically. And that's the skyline in South Jakarta SCBD. Oh, nice buildings over there as well. Overall, very clean, very organized. Some ASEAN function is ongoing. Somebody texts me as tomorrow many roads in Jakarta are gonna be blocked because of this one. Overall, cool. I'm gonna grab the Bluebird or something. I'm gonna go to central Jakarta now. The weather is hot and the pollution is really bad. I'm not joking. I decided I'm gonna go to the Monche's Spoon, have some chocolate cake maybe, and coffee. Coffee time. What am I gonna tell you? You know me. Coffee time in Jakarta. Let's go. Alright, my hot cappuccino and the recommendations from the lovely lady about this Monche Royal something. Let's see. So she said better than regular chocolate cake, and that's the place. Beautiful chandeliers, and only rich people here. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not gonna talk loud, but different level of overall of everything. It's nice part of Jakarta. You will not expect something like this one. Smash and go enjoy. Cheers. And you can also work on the laptop, no problem. And they have a nice place in general. What I'm gonna tell you, very nice. There behind me is also nice bar, and the Monche's Spoon total damage for the coffee and cake was 102. I don't know actually what's the prices in Bali, but similar, same or slightly bigger. It's going to be busy, and I'm going to central Jakarta right now. And I'm gonna tell you, there is more Alphard taxis here in Jakarta SCBD, and yeah, so many official cars as well here. Okay, it's gonna be dark soon. And again, the mall, central most east wing, and after short drive with the Bluebird, we arrived 40k for the taxi, not that bad. I'm gonna show you a bit the mall and the central Jakarta, where central roundabout, very popular space. Basically, that's the Grand Indonesia Mall. I don't know, I think I said central, but actually Grand Indonesia Mall. We'll stroll a little bit around, show you what's going on. Is it busy? Is it quiet? I don't know actually, to be honest. Similarly like 2 years ago, a little bit more maybe. Of course, every mall have a Starbucks. That's good. I need to top up my card. I will need it tomorrow at the airport At the airport you cannot top up though. Overall not that much is going on in the malls, I'm gonna tell you. I just wanna show you one very interesting part of the mall, and I'm gonna go to the street. I believe street is more interesting today. Saigon Delight looks very nice for dinner though, but this is like a section of the mall with nice decoration. Fancy looking. Now they're even higher, is better. So many options for the nice dine-in here. The situation outside, the mall have two wings, west and east. West is there, I'm in the east. I'm gonna tell you already, looks totally different here. Now is the time to explore a little bit of the city center of Jakarta and Jakarta streets. If you miss the traffic and the cars and bikes and the Jakartian tuk-tuks or whatever the name it is here again. Also there is other mall called Plaza Indonesia. There was street food during the pandemic 2 years ago, but it's gone like. And that's the mall where I were, and everywhere there are malls actually. And there is I need to cross the street actually though. Alright, so there is the river, the canal. Yeah, what I'm gonna tell you. Plaza Indonesia, and there will be the main roundabout, the most characteristic place in whole entire Jakarta city. Behind me is the Kempinski Hotel, the first hotel here in Jakarta, previously formerly Hotel Indonesia or something like that. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what's going on in the central roundabout in Jakarta right now. Here we go, welcome to Jakarta, Kempinski Hotel. Hotel Indonesia Kempinski, they still keep the name actually like this one, and this is the main roundabout. Mandarin Hotel at the front. Some people who've been in Jakarta, you must know this 100% though. The traffic is not that bad. Also there will be Pullman Jakarta at the front, and the Plaza Indonesia and Grand Hyatt Hotel also like this one. So many people actually always stroll around here. The vibe here is a little bit different than in the SCBD, but this is it. I just want to show you. Yeah, what I gonna tell you actually, Bank Central Asia is their headquarters. They have a big tower, which is popular bank here in Indonesia. And yeah, welcome to Jakarta. That's also one of the main streets leading to the monument in Jakarta, the war monument, I think, Independence Monument. Next to Grand Hyatt, you go straight. And there is the metro station also somewhere here. There are some hotels where I used to stay last time actually. A huge Louis V shop. Overall, just wanted to show you maybe for like a 1 minute stroll on the streets of Jakarta. Like this one. This one is new. I think this is the train station. Bandaran Astra. BRT. Some sort of train. Or no, bus station actually. That's the bus station though. And yeah, this is it. Don't take me wrong, because actually Jakarta have a public transport. They have a metro station, metro system with one line only, but they building more. They have a LRT, which is SkyTrain, what you see from the room from my hotel, 2 lines, and they have a buses as well. However, when I'm in Jakarta, I still prefer using the taxis. They are still affordable. That's the bus. Looks okay, and it's quite empty actually for this time. And this is the one of the entrance to Plaza Indonesia Mall, and there is the entrance to the one metro stations. To be honest, I'm gonna get inside and show you, because last time during pandemic they didn't let me in, but now probably no problem. Unfortunately, no stairs to going down, only electric stairs going up, down. You have to exercise a little bit, but they have a lift for mobility people. At the entrance they have a metal detector, so that's safety first. I get inside the metro system, MRT. It's brand new. Well, it's like really not so old, so looks like any other big cities what I visited in Southeast Asia. You can buy tickets, locker, little shop, ticket counter. I have a nice Study in Australia card. The guy said I can use it. Yeah, I can use it. I still have 50k. I'm gonna have a drive around MRT. I don't know where I'm going. I'm gonna go somewhere. I wanna see the train. That's the train station, and there is the security. I'm gonna go one stage. Woman, oh okay, yes. Lovely security told me this is for women's trains and the mixed trains. I nearly messed up. Lucky I didn't, because that will be a problem. You see, this is something new what you have to learn. I think I can get here. Inside the train looks nice, clean, speak English. Nice, quiet. Very modern trains though. First time in MRT in Jakarta. Why not? Let's try. Okay, cool. And no stickers with durians, but probably you cannot have it in here. Inside the train, same like in Singapore actually, or Malaysia, very similar. Very clean, very quiet for the change, because everybody drive the motorbikes, I guess. And there is the sign where I'm going. Just left on the one station. Station looks quiet, nice, clean, and I'm going back to the place where I started, and it's synchronized actually, can swap. If you want, you can also buy ticket single trip, for example. That's the price. Is very symbolic actually, kinda affordable, I guess. Okay, that was pretty cool. Good to know is this MRT in Jakarta. 12 stations, one line, but in the future maybe gonna be more. Gonna grab the cab now and gonna back to the hotel. Feels tired a little bit already. Anyways, wanted to show you a little bit of Jakarta today. Many army cars, must be some function here. Check this out. But this is capital city. You will experience stuff like this. Alright, I come back to the hotel in the South Jakarta where I'm staying today, in Gatot Subroto in Kuningan. If you're familiar, you know where is it. I will show you the hotel and everything tomorrow. I just want to show you one thing. I need to switch off the lights. Hold on a second. Where is it? Like this one, the flash. Can you see this? This is traffic jam. I don't know if the view at morning is better or at night. Everybody actually going out of Jakarta, only few people coming into Jakarta. So that's the Jakarta lifestyle. Okay, and basically that's it for today. Yeah, a little bit tired to be honest. See you tomorrow. Good night.